Welcome back to Title Talk with Title Leap. We're the Title Leap twins, David and Jim.
Today we're going to talk about what do partners do when they can't decide and agree on selling or not selling property. We're going to talk about iBuyers, and lastly we're going to talk about why does title insurance exist. Hi, I'm James Brown, founder of Title Leap and real estate attorney.
And I'm David Velez. I am the Chief Development Officer for Title Leap and closer extraordinaire for James Brown Law. So Jim, let's get right into it. We get a phone call, a couple of partners, they have a property together, they can't agree on what to do with it. One wants to sell, one wants to hold. What do they do?
Good question. So there's Florida Chapter 64 in the statutes. It's a tool called Partition. And so what that enables the one partner who wants to sell to do is file a lawsuit. Sounds dramatic, but it's relatively inexpensive. There are a few defenses. And usually what happens is when the non-selling partner gets sued in that lawsuit for partition, they'll go out and hire an attorney, and typically the attorney will tell the non-selling partner, hey, best thing you do is sell this thing at arm's length, and it results in an arm's length sale under a regular contract.
So Jim, we've been getting a lot of calls about people who are saying they're getting offers on the internet. What is an iBuyer?
Good question. So iBuyer is a modern platform that's being offered by Zillow Offers, a company called OfferPad, Open Door. There are several others, and there are several more emerging platforms. And so basically what it is you contact the platform and you give an address and a desired closing date. They return to you a sale price, and it's going to be a very convenient, no showings, no fix-ups, no repairs, and you're going to pay, unfortunately for that convenience, you're going to pay a discount. You're going to get a reduced price, and sometimes the fees can be upwards of 13%.
So essentially it's a convenience. To say convenience, you're gonna not get as much as you normally would,
Yep.
But you are going to get a guaranteed closing date.
Exactly. Think of it kind of like FedEx and snail mail. FedEx you're going to pay a premium for, you're going to get faster service.
Gotcha. So Jim, I had a closing the other day with your agent, and they were asking questions about title insurance. They wanted to know why title insurance and why is it so expensive?
Another good question. So title insurance is expensive, although you don't hear much about claims. When there is a claim, they're big. So you might not get a lot of claims, but when there is a claim made, it's for a lot of money. And it exists primarily to protect lenders, although we think about title insurance protecting buyers. But the buyer, if you think of it, comes to the table with a little bit of money, and the lender comes to the table with a lot of money, lots of risk, lots of exposure. And so lenders really, if you look back in the history books of title insurance,
Which I have.
you'll see that that was invented by lenders. A good example of how title insurance works: seller sells on Monday. On Tuesday, the buyer gets a knock on the door from a roofer that says, I did a roof on this house a couple months ago and never got paid. That buyer would contact the title insurance company and say, hey, somebody's demanding money from me. They call in a claim, and the title insurance company would deal with the roofer.
Thanks for watching Title Talk with Title, where we are all about empowering agents with the tools to succeed.
So hit subscribe so you can stay up on all our weekly videos, and stay tuned for next week's excitement.